Today is the weekend. We are at the amusement park. Yeah, awesome! This park is amazing! Yes! This is the best weekend ever! Anna and Bill, what do you want to play first? I want to go on the roller coaster first. I do not want to ride it. I feel scared.
Anna, can you ride the roller coaster alone?
Yes, Mom. I love roller coasters.
Bill, stay here and record a video for Anna. Do not run around. I will buy cotton candy and come back soon.
Yes, Mom. Anna, I will record a video for you. Make me look cool in the video.
I am ready. This will be fun. Wow! This ride is so fast!
Anna, smile! I am recording you!
I will record better bit for I Lady of Anna. Oh no! The phone fell on the track!
Oh no! The phone? This is Mom's phone. She will be very angry.
I will go down and get the phone before the train comes.
How much are these cotton candies?
They are $5 each.
I will take 2. 1 blue and 1 pink.
Here you are.
I am close. I can do this.
That boy is on the track! Oh! Someone call security now!
Oh my God, Bill! What are you doing? What are you doing?
Yes, I got the phone. Oh no, the train is coming.
Bill! That is dangerous! Come back now! Bill! Move away! It is dangerous!
Stop the ride now!
Bill! Bill! Oh my God, I am saved!
Why did you go on the track? That is very dangerous. Please watch your children carefully in the park.
I am very sorry. This is my mistake.
Boy, do not do dangerous things again. Ask adults for help.
I understand. I will remember.
Okay, everything is fine now.
So lucky. Have a fun trip.
Bill, are you calm now? Yes, but I am sorry, Mom. I did a dangerous thing.
Next time, you must not do that again.
Yes, Mom.
I remember. It is okay now. Let us continue our fun day.
Mom, I want to eat ice cream. Okay, let's get some ice cream. Yeah!
Hello? How much is the ice cream?
It is $20. Ice cream!
I will buy 3 ice creams.
Whoa,
Here you are.
let's go! This ice cream is very sweet. Yes, I love ice cream. Mom, I want to ride the carousel. Mom, I want to ride it too.
Okay, let's ride it.
Ah! This horse is so cool. Ah, this ride is fun.
My children are so cute.
Look at us, Mom.
Yeah, we're having fun.
Mom, can we find the way out?
Yes, I believe we can find the way out.
Look, I am taller in this mirror. Look, I am taller in this mirror.
This is so funny. I am very fat in this mirror.
This mirror is very fun. This mirror is very fun. Mom, look. Mom, look. We are very small. We are very small.
Yes, you both look very cute.
Mom, I have a wish.
What do you like, Anna?
I want to go to the circus.
Oh, that is a great idea. Let us go.
Mom, look. It is a clown.
Whoa.
The clown is very funny.
Wow, it's magic.
Yes, the clown is very good.
It is time to watch the circus show. Let us go inside.
I am so excited. It's my first time at the circus. Wow! This show is amazing! That is wonderful.
Let's go on stage to take photos and give flowers to the circus performers.
You are very talented. I am your big fan. Thanks for the flowers.
Can we take a photo with you?
Yes, of course.
Thank you. Goodbye. Children, what do you want to play next?
Mom, I want to play bumper cars. That is great. I will win this game. Let's go! Catch me if you can! Wait! Bill, you will lose. This game is so fun!
Woohoo!
My children are so playful. Did you enjoy the game? Yes, Amiya. Yes, Mom. We love it. What do you want to play, Mom?
I want to ride the Ferris wheel and see the city.
Yes! Let us go, Mom! Wow! This Ferris wheel goes very high. Look, Mom! Everything looks small down there.
It does, honey. Isn't it amazing?
What?
Bill and Anna, sit carefully and stay inside for safety.
Yes, Mom. Mom, look! The sunset is beautiful. Yes, it is very beautiful. Yeva?
The sunset looks very peaceful.
What do you want to play next? Mom, I want to go home. I feel very hungry. I want to eat your spaghetti. Okay, let us go home.
Yeah, go home.
Yay! Do you love this video? Write a comment to say hello. Remember to like and subscribe for more stories. Bye-bye.